Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to jack up a Ford Bronco. First, always prioritize safety. Park your Bronco on a flat, level surface. Engage the parking brake and place wheel chocks behind the wheels that will remain on the ground. This prevents any unexpected movement while you are working. Gather your tools, including a sturdy jack and 2 reliable jack stands, before you begin. When lifting the front of your Bronco, locate the sturdy frame rails just behind the front wheels. Place your jack directly under these rails, ensuring a stable and secure contact point. Once the vehicle is lifted to your desired height, carefully slide your jack stands underneath the frame rails, close to your jack. Lower the Bronco gently onto the stands, confirming they are firmly seated. For the rear of your Ford Bronco, the most common and secure jacking point is the center of the rear axle housing. This provides a strong, central lift. Alternatively, you can use the frame rails located just in front of the rear wheels. After lifting, position your jack stands under the sturdy frame rails or the axle tubes, ensuring they are evenly placed and fully supporting the vehicle's weight. Always lift your Bronco slowly and deliberately, watching for any signs of instability. Once the vehicle is at the desired height, carefully place your jack stands and gently lower the Bronco onto them, ensuring they are properly seated. When your work is complete, reverse the process. Lift the Bronco slightly with the jack, remove the stands, and then slowly and smoothly lower the vehicle back to the ground.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.